nakapin. Oh, ayun. Ikaw naman ipipin ko, Puching. I'm gonna pin you, Puching, ha? Ayan. Sa nakapin tayo, guys. Please. Okay, done. Thumbs up to your upcoming premiere, ang hello. And next. Tapos na. Thank you for the... Ayan. Thank you, Puching. Haha, Japan. Asan si Haha? Ayan, napaka di Haha. Okay. Done ang hello. And... Ayan. Haha, Japan! Andito ako sa iyong bahay, haha. Go to channel tayo. Plus one banana to you guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. And plus one banana, Ma'am Janice, ha? Janice Mix Vlog of Taiwan. Taiwan ka ba, Ma'am Janice? O Japan? Taiwan from Japan. I like the, ano. Ayan, still watching the harang. Thank you. Ah, Japan. Ayan, watching your video. What I buy this week. And thumbs up number 2, haha. Watching your grocery. Okay, watching dito. Ayun, bangir. Hope you can visit guys this coming July 3. Ayan. And let's do the party. Thank you. Ayan, Ma'am Johnny is still playing your ads here. Ayan, salamat everybody. Please do connect guys. Yes, I need to go. Thank you, Loco. Thank you. And you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Thank you, Loco. Okay. So much, guys. Ayan, thank you, Ma'am Jackie. Maraming salamat. Ayan, bisita kayo ha this coming July 3. July 3 is my 1 month and birthday celebration din. No? May nakatugma din nagkataon no 1 month ako dito sa YT this coming July 3 and July 3 is 1 month ako dito sa YT as monetized. Nahang na nagkuan na siya. Mag-upload, ano Ma'am Jackie, mag-upload ka og kuan, religious song, mag-upload og UPM music and that will give you WH. Believe me. And don't worry about copyright. The solution of the copyright is to mute all the segment. Tapos na. Kaya keep uploading lang guys and don't worry about copyright because copyright is a part of the solution. May solution dyan. And no worries about copyright. Don't worry na hindi kayo ma-monetize if may copyright. No? Lahat yan susolusyonan natin sa pamamagitan ng pagtanggal ng copyright. Haha. Okay. Ayan. May pa-Gcash tayo ha this coming July 3 kasi nga may sa atin nag-sponsor and the long video. And done to your video. Wow, nice. Galing.